Welcome to Best Moments, where we capture the best moments in life from various fields like heartwarming stories, sports, beautiful scenes, and more. Today's episode is all about the most beautiful birds in the world, featuring stunning plumage, graceful flights, and vibrant colors that showcase nature's artistry from around the globe. Let's dive in. Here's a glimpse of the spectacular Indian national bird, the peacock, showcasing its vibrant and colorful plumage. Watch as the male fans out his magnificent tail in a dazzling display, a true spectacle of nature's beauty in the wild. Meet the stunning rainbow lorikeet, a burst of colors from Australia. Observe its vibrant blue head, orange beak, and rainbow-hued body as it flits about, showcasing why it's one of the world's most colorful parrots. Behold the keel-billed toucan in Costa Rica, with its enormous rainbow-colored bill that looks like a boat keel. Watch it hop through the trees, using its bill to pluck fruits, a vibrant icon of Central American rainforests. Admire the European bee-eater, a rainbow of colors with its green back, yellow throat, and blue underparts. Listen to its melodic calls as it perches and takes flight, expertly catching bees mid-air in its European habitats. Discover the paradise tanager, a jewel of the Andes with its electric blue body, green head, and red rump. See it dart through the forest canopy, its colors shimmering as it feeds, truly living up to its paradisiacal name. Meet the European roller, nature's flying gem with vibrant blue wings and a rusty back. Watch its graceful rolling flight as it hunts insects. A delightful sight in open landscapes across Europe and beyond. See the elegant cedar waxwing with its smooth crest, black mask, and red wingtips resembling wax. Watch a flock feast on berries, their soft calls filling the air in North American orchards and forests. Witness the incredible, marvelous spatula-tail hummingbird from Peru, one of the world's most beautiful, with its spatula-tipped tail. See the male's dazzling display, hovering and twirling to impress a mate in the misty forests. Experience the first-ever wild footage of the Himalayan monal's mating dance at Kedarnath Wildlife Sanctuary. Watch the male's stunning, colorful display and intricate moves to woo the female, a rare glimpse into Himalayan wildlife. Introducing the Victoria Crowned Pigeon, a stunning giant from New Guinea, with its elegant blue lace-like crest and majestic stance. Watch it walk gracefully on the forest floor, one of the world's most unique pigeons. Ladies and gentlemen, behold the kingfisher, a jewel of the waterways with its brilliant blue back and orange belly. See it perched before diving swiftly into the water to catch a fish, a master hunter in action. Thank you for watching this video on Best Moments. If you enjoyed these stunningly beautiful birds, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more nature compilations. Share your favorite bird in the comments below. See you in the next one.